The removal of failing and potentially harmful mercury fillings in a safe and affordable way is the best service that I offer at the Art of Dentistry and Spa, and one I am most proud of. I utilize the safe mercury amalgam removal technique, commonly referred to as the SMART technique, to remove and replace dangerous, toxic mercury fillings from my patients, ensuring that they are treated in the safest, healthiest, and most holistically acceptable manner as possible. The SMART technique utilizes a number of protective methods, protocols, and specialized equipment to ensure the safest possible outcome for my patients. A few of these include 2 separate high-volume suction devices to trap all debris and vapors, an industrial-strength air filtration system to clean the air of viruses, bacteria, and debris, an at-source vacuum scavenger system to remove any debris or vapors from the work area, medical-grade oxygen supplementation for the patient. Additionally, the patient is fully covered from head to toe to protect their skin and hair from any vapors which could escape our scavenger methods. The SMART technique is also very specific in the methods to be used to remove mercury restorations safely. To ensure that the patient is treated in as safe a manner as possible, the fillings are removed in an encapsulated form with as much of the mercury as possible intact within the filling, thereby trapping the harmful mercury within the filling and not allowing it to escape. At the Art of Dentistry and Spa, we have a licensed nutritional therapist on staff, ready and willing to answer all of our patients' questions about safe mercury removal and detoxification assistance that nutritional therapy can offer. We also have a licensed massage therapist on the team who can be very beneficial to patients who believe they already have mercury toxicity. At the Art of Dentistry and Spa, my team and I are fully dedicated to achieving the optimal health of all of our patients. We have treated hundreds of patients over the years safely and effectively removing their toxic mercury fillings. We look forward to being an integral part of your journey to full body wellness at the Art of Dentistry and Spa, so please give us a call today to schedule your free consultation.